In this video, you will learn how to withdraw funds from your Kriptomat account to your bank account. First, log in to your Kriptomat account and go to the My Wallets tab. Choose Euro and click the Withdraw button. A dialog box will open up. If you have multiple bank accounts, you will first have to select the bank account from which you want to withdraw your funds. Enter the euro amount that you want to withdraw. Click Max if you want to withdraw all of your euro funds. Click Continue to go to the next screen where you will have to confirm the transaction. Once you do this, you will receive an SMS on your mobile phone. Enter the verification code from the SMS into this field. When you are ready to make the withdrawal, click Confirm and Withdraw. A dialog box will appear saying the transaction was successful. Close this dialog box. You can now check the status of the transaction, and you can expect to receive your funds within 3 working days.